In this video, we're going to show you how to use the /clear command to start a fresh Claude session without losing your work. When working on large projects in Claude code, conversations can become very long over time. As more code, instructions, debugging information, and project discussions accumulate, the available context window gradually fills up. When this happens, Claude may become less efficient at remembering important details, following instructions consistently, or generating the highest quality responses. Starting a fresh session can often improve performance and help Claude focus on the most relevant information. However, many users hesitate to clear a session because they worry about losing important project context and previous work. The good news is that you can prepare for a fresh session by saving the most important information before clearing the conversation. This allows you to benefit from a clean context window while keeping the information you still need. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple workflow for using the /clear command safely and effectively. So, let's get started. The first method is to create a project summary before clearing the session. Before using the command, write down the important information from the current project. This may include project goals, coding standards, completed tasks, architecture decisions, and any requirements that Claude should continue following. Keep the summary concise and focused on the information that will still be relevant later. Once the summary is ready, type /clear and press Enter. Claude will start a fresh session with a clean context window. After clearing the session, paste your project summary into the new conversation. This gives Claude the essential context without carrying over unnecessary history from the previous session. As a result, you can continue working while benefiting from a cleaner and more focused environment. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create a concise summary of the important project information. Second, use the /clear command to start a fresh Claude session. And third, provide the summary in the new session so Claude can continue working with the necessary context. Remember that clearing a session does not have to mean losing your progress. The key is to preserve important information before resetting the conversation. A clean context window can often improve response quality, reduce confusion, and help Claude focus on current objectives more effectively. It's also a good practice to create summaries regularly during larger projects so you're always prepared to start a fresh session when needed. Many experienced Claude Code users rely on this workflow because it helps maintain both performance and consistency over long-term development projects. Taking a few minutes to organize your context before clearing a session can save a significant amount of time later. And that's how to use the /clear command to start a fresh Claude session without losing your work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.